That's a big tree too. This is a dangerous woods. If you ain't watching. I don't think I want to be out here in the wind. There's not too many left that can break off or tip over. Trying to find a new path to Pete's blind. Look at another row. That one's not only tipped over, it's broke off. This was the trail. Not a real easy way to clear this. Besides, I don't want to be walking around out in here. In fact, it's getting kind of breezy now, so I'll be heading for some smaller trees. Let's go see if there's any tracks in the sand. Better yet, if there are any rocks or bones. Found bones underneath one time. Oh, there's rocks down there.